Hello, Beverly. I see that you have brought two writers of work compositions today. What are these two?
The first story is called Oh My Factory. Second one is called Life is Like a Box of Chocolate. First of all, Teacher Faiz will ask us to write the walk, and then he will go through the title and make us know what is the story about.
Okay.
And then he will make us highlight the QSP, and we have to break down the QSP into many different parts. And then we have to do the synonyms, and we have to make sure we know what the QSP is about and who is experiencing it. Secondly, we'll go through the pictures, and we have to describe the pictures with a lot of description. And we also have to dive deeper into the picture and think about what is in the picture and why is this like this. Oh yeah, then he will go through what this picture is about and how it will relate to today's story. He will go through the 5 senses. This is called the PAF mountain. You have to go through the PAF for each paragraph in a lot of description. P stands for place, A stands for action, and F stands for feelings. The characters will already be in a box in the middle. He will ask us to write the elaborations and make us think on why is he happy, or he will give us questions to ask ourselves. He will also write the QSP, where is it, and the PPP, so we know what to write in the story. These are like tips to make your story more exciting and make the reader more interested in the story.
Ah, so you learn writing techniques now. This one specifically is about
hyperboles.
That's nice. So you learn phrases. Wow, you even have supplementary reading on. Okay, so a few more supplementary reading, and then is it time to?
It's the model composition.
What's the model composition, Beverly?
You have to read through and memorize it.
So it's about how the entire story should be ideally written now.
Yeah.
Okay. What is a vocab list?
Vocab list is they will simplify the model composition, the main good phrases.
So you're actually given a list of all the good phrases from the story. Okay, what is this part here?
This is the reading and writing page. They will cut them down into paragraphs, and they will give you sentences for you to connect them and make your own story. So you have to hand it up, and the next week your teacher will give the compo back, and you have to do a draft 2.
What is draft 2?
Draft 2 is you have to copy down everything, but it's quite fun.
How is it different from your draft 1?
Draft 1 is you have to think of how to write it and everything, but draft 2 is just going through your mistakes and just rewriting it again.
Now, that's about it, but I suppose that means to say next week, let's say next week your story is Life is Like a Box of Chocolate. Does it mean to say you enter the classroom, you start the new lesson?
Oh, you have to do a quiz.
What is a quiz about?
The quiz is you have to memorize the vocab list.
This one.
They will give you a page which only has the non-bolded words, and you have to fill in the blanks with the bolded words.
Does it help you? Is revise and recap helpful for you?
I think it's really helpful because after this class, you won't completely forget about it and start a new story. You have to look back at the compo and you have to remember it again, and I think it will really help with the exam.